Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Right now, you are on Joshi's online study hub, and I, Tushar Joshi, heartily welcome all of you students. Behalf of Omkar English Medium School. In our last lecture, we people have completed question number first of exercise number 14.2. This is the right now we people are learning for the concept of mode. Okay, first question we have completed. In my previous lecture I have already explained what is mode and all. So now you people all are familiar with mode, and now in this lecture we have to solve question number second and third. As you can see here in this thumbnail, we have to solve question number second and third. Then now let us start. But first, before start, let me tell you again, if you are new on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to download our application. The link of application is given in description box. Now see here, the second question says data is given. Okay, based on observed lifetime in hours. Okay, 225 electrical components. Every component has particular lifetime. Okay, that you all know. Out of After that lifetime, that component will not work. For example, if you have some electrical bulb, for example, so that bulb lifetime is already fixed, particular lifetime is already fixed. After completing that lifetime, that bulb will not work. આપણે જેને ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ કે લેમ્પ ઉડી ગયો. બરાબર. તો જો લેમ્પ ઉડવાના તો બીજા પણ ઘણા કારણો. If voltage is high, okay, out of its capacity, if that voltage it will get, so that will not work. But I'm right now uh, talking with you the ideal conditions, કે જો બધું જ બરાબર હોય તો પણ તેનું જે લાઈફ ટાઈમ હોય કોઈ પણ કમ્પોનન્ટની એની પછી તે વર્ક ના કરે. તો જ્યારે તે કંપનીમાં કોઈ વસ્તુ બનતી હોય તે વખતે જ તેનો લાઈફ ટાઈમ નક્કી થતો હોય છે. Okay, then here that is given lifetime, that is in hours. Okay, so 0 to 20, 20 to 40, that type of 100 to 120 hours, this is in hours, is given. And frequency means here 10 components are there, which lifetime is between 0 to 20. Actually I should say among 0 to 20, but between also you here you can use, because here this is the class interval and the range is given. Okay, so that then here 35 components are there, which range 20 to 40. So here this type of data is given, and we have to find for determine the model lifetime of the component. Means here in short, if you go point to point, okay, if you just become exam oriented, સર ફાઇનલ કયો ને કે કરવાનું છે શું એમ, કારણ કે અમારે 3 માર્ક્સ થી મતલબ છે. This question will come in 3 marks. Then what you people have to do here, you have to find the mode. Okay, and mode, the formula. Now as you all know, if you don't know, then in textbook that is given in blue color font. In my previous lecture also I have already explained that, so you can see that previous lecture. Then here mode, first we will find here mode is equal to, okay, L is what? Lower limit. L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2. Okay, upon into h, f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h plus L. This formula you must know, you must have to remember, you must have to memorize. So many times I said you, okay, that any formula you cannot skip. Maths એટલે શું? ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડતા હોય અને એને એપ્લાય કેવી રીતે કરવા તે આવડતા હોય, એટલે તમને મેથ્સ આવડી ગયું કહેવાય. બરાબર. So here see what is L, this all I have already said. Okay, then also here L is equal to lower limit. But lower limit koni? Lower limit of model class. Then first here we have to decide which one is model class. Here see which one is your model class. Obviously, which class frequency is maximum? That is your model class. Okay, then see here 61. That is the highest frequency. Okay, so this is our model class. Okay, this is our model class. Then L, lower limit of model class. So here L is equal to 60, and F1, F0, F2 we have to decide. Okay, so this is our F1 because present we people are this 52. Okay, our elders are. So F1 is equal to 61. F2 I will write here. F2 is equal to 38, and F0 is equal to 52, and H is given. Okay, H is what? Class interval, 60 to 20, so class interval is 20 here. And finally, if you apply, if you put this all value, if you substitute this all value, so L is equal to 60. So 60 plus F1 minus F0, so 61 minus 52, so 9 will come. Okay, directly I will write here 9 to F1. So 2 into F1, 61 2s are 122 minus F0. F0 here 52. Okay, minus 52 minus F2, that is 38. Okay, bracket complete into H, which is 20. Now if I write 60 60 plus, now see minus minus plus 50, 30, 80, 90, 122 minus 90, 32. Okay, then 9 upon 32 into 20. Then now if you multiply 9 2s are 18. Okay, 180 upon 32 plus 60, so what will come? 60 plus 180 upon 32, then here 90 by 60. Okay, 92 is a 62 is a, again 45 to a 8 to a. Okay, then 45 by 8. Now if you perform the division, 8 5s are 40. Okay, 5 is remainder, 6 are, and 2s are. So 60 plus 5.62. This division you can perform yourself. Okay, choice is yours. The method is also you can use your method. Then 60 plus 5.62, so 65.62 will come. This is our mode. Okay, so determine the model lifetime. So now you have to write in statement format that 65.62 is model lifetime of the component. Okay, now done. Next question, interpretation I will not explain because that is not asked in this question, and I have already explained in my previous lectures. If you haven't seen that lecture, so you should see that lecture first. Okay, otherwise the interpretation, the main meaning of mode, you people will not understand here. Okay, in this lecture, because if you will not understand the meaning, then this 64 for 5.62 will become just numbers for you. Okay, and this is not more than just numbers for you. Okay, so proper meaning if you want to learn, then you should see that lecture. Now here this question is over. Okay, let's go towards the next question, third one. Here, see, following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Okay, total household it is given here. Okay, in this table directly the people have given table. Okay, find the model monthly expenditure means here we have to find the mode. Okay, point to point now I will discuss with you. Point to point કે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું બહુ વધારે નહીં, હવે સમજાવવું નથી એટલું બધું, બરાબર. અને પહેલાના લેક્ચરમાં જે કહી દીધું તે કહી દીધું કે એક્ઝામ માટે શું પૂછવામાં આવ્યું છે અને શું કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, then find a model monthly expenditure. Again I will say this question will come in 3 marks. બરાબર જો પૂછાય તો આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન 3 માર્ક્સમાં પૂછાય and generally this type of questions come in 3 mark. Okay, in 3 mark means they will ask you mode also and they will ask you mean also. So this type of question can come in exam. Okay, in 3 mark question is also 3 and marks are also 3. Then here mode, here we have to find and find the mean monthly expenditure. Okay, means mean also here we have to find and mode also here we have to find. So first I will find here mean, because as you can see here this table, so this is I have made for to find mean. Okay, so first I am going to find second part, which is mean. Okay, so mean, then first this will become class. Okay, class means class interval, and fi, and this is nothing but xi. And now uh, afterward I will write, because now you will not understand why I have written this. Okay, so first I will write down just class, then 100 to 1500, then I will write here 1000 to, okay, 1500, okay, 1500, then now 1500 to 2000, as well as okay, up to 5000. Then all data I have written here. Actually you should write in proper manner. Okay, in proper way. Fi 24 40. Okay, 24 40 33 28 30 22 16 and 7. So sigma fi, that is already given here. See, 200. Okay, so that is 200. That is your sigma fi. I'm not writing here, but you people understood. Okay, what is 200? That is your sigma fi. Now xi means sum of both divided by 2. Okay, then 1000 and 500 means 2500 by 2. Okay, 1250 means 2500, you have to just consider like this. 2500 means just 250, and 250 is half is 125. Okay, and afterward you have to apply 10. Then because here class interval is 500, 1000 to 1500, so means class interval is 500, so 500 I will add just, okay, in every sequence, in every following number. Then 15 12 15 plus 500, so 1715. Okay, 1750, because you have to just consider 12 plus 5 17. Okay, 17 plus 5 22, then 2750. Okay, like that. If you again want to check, then here see 3000 plus 2000 5500. Okay, 5500 means 550. 550 is half is 275. And now as well as, okay, now 3250, as well as 3750, as well as 4250, as well as last one 4750. And here, as you all know, સમજી જ ગયા છો તમે, બરાબર, this is very much hard and boring to multiply such kind of big number. So I will assume here one mean. Okay, and we'll call it assume mean. So I will assume here, okay, which one is in middle. Then 4 total, how many are there? 4 and 4 8, so anyone I can assume, so I will assume this. Okay, out of these two, anyone we can assume, so I have assumed 2750. Then now if you subtract, okay, then 1250 2750, then what you will get? Mm, 1500 you will get. Okay, again such a big number will come, but it will become little bit easy. Okay, then now here 1500 but minus. Now here 100 means 1000 minus 500, 0 plus 500 plus 1500, and 1500 now 2000 and the last one. Okay, one minute, wait, here 1000 will come, sorry, 1000. Okay, 27503750 and here 1500 will come, and here finally 2000 will come. Okay, and good thing, see here all the number will be cancelled. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Huh? See, so that I have assumed this mean, and this is what your, this is nothing but, this is your di. Okay, di is equal to xi minus a. Then total, which one? Okay, sorry. But now, if you see here, then this number is still so big, so that we should not multiply such numbers. Okay, like this. Then we have to use ui, and ui is what? Di upon class interval means h. And here, as you can see, class interval is 500. Okay, so we'll divide it by 500. So 1500 here I will mention. Okay, I will mention here h is equal to what? That is 500, and that is what your class interval. Now 1500 by 500, so here minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, and here 4. Now it become little bit easy. Okay, then now final one we have to write fiui. Okay, maybe this fiui will be not appear for you because I will in front of fiui. Okay, so you people can directly multiply these things. Okay, then now let me multiply here. 24 threes are minus 72. Okay, now 42s are minus 80. 33 ones are minus 33, and then 0. then 31s are 30, then 22 twos are 44, 16 threes are, and 7 fours are. Okay, then now sigma FIUI is equal to, first we will consider all minus, then all plus. Okay, then first I will consider minus 1, then here 185. Okay, this is 185 minus 185. I'm going to write here. Okay, minus 185, and now it's time for plus. Here if you add 30, 44, 74, and 150, minus 185 and 150. So minus 35 will remain effective. Okay, minus 35. Okay, if you want to check, then you can check again. This number will only come. Okay, because the top side frequency 24 3s are yes, 42s are yes, 33 ones are yes. Okay, this all is correct. So minus 35 will come. FIUI is equal to minus 35. And now if you perform the formula, okay, then what will come here? X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi into H. Okay, H, now you have to perform. Now you have to write. Why? Because here we have used UI. Okay, so that class interval also we have to multiply. So which one is our A? A is 2750 here. Okay, 2750, not plus will not come, minus will come, because here this number is minus. Okay, so minus 35, minus 35 upon sigma Fi, that is 200. Okay, upon 200 into class interval. Okay, H, which is 500, so this will cut. Okay, then now 2750 minus 35 5s are 5 5s are 25, 175 by 2. So that 2750 minus 175 by 2. Then 2 8s are 1 5, 2 7s are 1 4, and 2 5 is 87.5. Okay, then this 87.5 now we have to subtract. Then if you will subtract, okay, 2750 minus 87.5, then here zero point 0.5 will come, here 9 2 5 4 10 12 6 6 2. Okay, then 2662.5 will come. This is what? This is your X bar. And X bar is what actually? X bar is average lifetime. So here average lifetime of every bulb, okay, is 2662.5. That is what? Hours. Okay, that is sorry, this is a sorry question of not average lifetime of any bulb. This is question of expenditure. So 200 families are there, so average expenditure per family is 2662.5. 2662.50 એટલા દરેક ફેમિલીના ભાગે આવે, એવરેજ એક્સપેન્ડિચર છે આ, બરાબર. Now we have to calculate mode also, because here we have to find now, see here, find modal monthly expenditure here. Then now we have to find mode, and as you all know which is mode, and because first we have to find here model class. Okay, then see here which one is our model class. Maximum frequency, first here we have to find 24 40. Yes, see here 40, this is our model class. Okay, okay, this is our model class. So again I will write all the data, that data I will write here. Okay, L is equal to lower limit of model class, which is 1500, and F1, F0, and F2 and H. This data we have to write. Okay, so H is equal to, as I have written here, 500. Okay, means class interval. F1 means 40, F0 means preceding of model class, preceding frequency of model class, which is 24, and F2 is equal to 33. Okay, succeeding frequency of model class, that is 33. And this data I will write down in that formula, because first because I will write formula. So let me write formula. I will write here. Let me use next slide. So mode is equal to, now as you all know, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket complete into H. So L is equal to, here as you can see, okay, 1500. So I will write here 1500 plus F1 minus F0. Okay, so F1 is 40, F1 is 24. Then I will write directly 16 here. Okay, then I will write here directly 16 upon 2F1. 2F1 is equal to, see here, 42 is 80. Okay, then here I will write 80 minus F0 minus F2. F0 24 and 33. Okay, 24 and 33. Then 24, 33 into H is 500. Okay, then now here 1500 plus, okay, 16 upon, now minus minus plus. Okay, minus minus plus, then 30 plus 20, 50 and 7. So 80 minus 57. Okay, then that will come 23. Okay, 23 into 500. So now 1500 plus 80 double zero means 8000 upon 23. So now 8000 upon 23, then what will come? See here, you people can find here 23. Then now here 23, 80 upon 23. Okay, then 3 is okay, 8000 upon 23. 23 3s are, again it will not divisible. Okay, so 0 will come. 347.82. Okay, now 1847.82. This is our model class. So model class for 200 house is here 1847.82, and the mean here is 2662.5. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in next lecture, and up to this exercise, all the examples you people have to solve. Okay, that homework I have already given in last lecture. Okay, so that you have to show me. Thank you. Bye bye.